on a flat roof in New Canaan, Connecticut, and this is a torch down roof. Let me explain. A torch down, it's every 3 feet there's a seam, and then what you see is granular or like ceramic granules that's embedded on the surface, which is a UV protector. Now, if it's torched properly, you need to use a torch to proper torch. The seam should bleed out. There's no bleeding out here. There's nothing oozing out of the seam. Where did I see ooze out? There's some oozing out here. See here? Some. Very little. But you want to see ooze out. Now what happens is seams can start showing that it wasn't properly sealed. Look at the seam. See? It's open. Let me see. So you take a trowel like this one, round nose, and you poke it in. And if you can get it in like this, you for sure. There's several ways we can fix it. So one of the leaks on the roof is right here. Look, water gets in here, and see if I can get the seam to bond again. That would be one way, okay? I use a small torch, okay? And see what we can do. Okay? I don't know if this is a torch, but anyway. Okay, so that's one way to fix it, but it's not the only way, and it's not always advisable to use a torch. And I don't like that this material doesn't ooze out. It feels like different to me, so I'm going to use a different material to do another seam, and I want to show you. We have a seam that's coming loose. See that? I'm going to show you how easy I can fix this, and I used turbo poly seal. There it is, and I stir it up just like that, and look how easy it is to repair this leak, the seam. Very simple. Cannot beat this. I put a coat of turbo poly. So the reason why this is so excellent is anybody can do it. Anybody. You don't need to have special tools. You just get yourself a can of turbo poly seal. It comes with a roll of fleece, and all you do is you put it over a seam. Any place where you can see where it's leaking, you can put a seam like this. Yeah, you don't need any roofing company to do this for you. You can do it yourself. That's what makes it so excellent. Okay, I cut my fleece to size, and I put another coat over that, and your seam is done. That's it. I will show you a seam I did on a metal roof 6 years ago. Here's the video. All right, we came here like 5 years ago. They had a leak inside this repair. They had a leak in this channel. There's the water channel, and I did this repair with turbo poly seal. Okay, I did it with that, and here's the repair. I did the repair, and I came back just to show you the results. Very nice, and this will last 10, 12 years maybe, who knows, without any protection. If you want to do some protection, you can put silver coating over it. Use silver coat protection. Very easy. You protect this from the UVs, and it will last a long time. So all you do is you paint it. Let me show you. And that's it. It's done. And it's compatible with the turbo, which also has asphalt properties. And that's what makes it so good, because they're compatible with each other. That's it. You're done. That's what's easy. Easy. The best way to go is to put turbo poly seal. All right, see you on the next video.